Hey guys, welcome back. So today I thought I'll just tell you about how to downgrade your firmware or OxygenOS in OnePlus. I'm using OnePlus 7T Pro. So basically, it started giving me that camera pop-up error, like the camera is damaged and stuff. So I tried once to downgrade to 11.0.5 from 11.0.7, but I didn't fix the camera issue. It still shows that the camera is still damaged. So what I was planning is I'm planning to downgrade it to Android 10 or something, Oxygen OS 10. So hopefully I hope so that it solves the camera issue. Meanwhile, I wanted to show you all how to um, downgrade. So currently, let me show you the OS version which I am having right now. So if you see here, I guess it's mirrored. So the current version you can see is OxygenOS 11.0.5. What I want to do is I want to install Android 10. Currently it is Android 11 in this. So let's see what are the things required to do this. It's very simple to do. You may have tried to downgrade using the system update, but maybe you might have got an error saying the local update version is lower than the current version, something like that, and cannot be downgraded. So what you can do is you can do it via your laptop. That is the best thing you can do, and it's safe as well. See, I already got there's an update for 11.7, it says, but I don't want to update. So it's an incremental update. So as you can see, it's an incremental update, so the size is very small, 95 MB. So what I want to do is I want to use my system laptop, and I'll say you the process on how to downgrade it in a very easy manner, and also I'll put the links that are required to downgrade your system or your OS, your phone OS, any OnePlus device, how to downgrade. I'll just show you that. Okay. So the first thing is you have to go to this XDA developer. Not necessarily you have to go here. I'll just show you like how I found out. So there are two links actually. You can click on any mirror and try to download, but there are chances that it may not start downloading. It may throw an error like no mirrors available or something like that. So in that case, what you can do is go back to that XDA developers, and there is one option which is called OnePlus Community Server. You can open this, and it's not OnePlus official website. It's a community server. Some fellow has done this. So you can click on Unbreak Tools. As soon as you click on this, you will get all the devices list which you want to flash or which you want to downgrade, and also you'll get the Qualcomm driver. So my device is 70 Pro. I've gone here, and under global I've selected Android Q, and in this I'm downloading one of the version. You can see it's still downloading. So in your case you can do the same, and next thing what you have to do is you can download this. Next thing is you can download this Qualcomm driver. You can either download this or you can download the exe as well. You can directly double click and press the next button and install it automatically, or download this one, and I'll see you the next part once this completes, so I don't want to confuse you guys. So I've downloaded um, the MSM Tool and the firmware software. So next thing I have to download is the Qualcomm driver. You can click on this Qualcomm at the end, and maybe that also you can drag and put it here. So once both are downloaded, what you can do is right click. If you have 7Z, you can just extract to Qualcomm folder. Same thing for this one. Click on 7Z, extract to Qualcomm. Extract to this folder. And meanwhile, maybe you can also download this if you are not comfortable with that manual thing, to update the driver. You can download this as well. Lot of ads, of course. So I guess this thing is also done. Just move this also here. So these are three things. Okay, you can either use this one or this folder. Okay, that's an option left to you. So next thing what we'll do is we'll connect our device and see how to do that. Okay. So the first thing is you'll have to shut down your OnePlus device. Press the volume up and down button together, and then just connect it. You should hear this sound. Setting up a device. Now next thing what you have to do is right click on the start button and go to device manager. So once you go to device manager, it will be shown as unrecognized. There is one unrecognized device. Right click on this, click on update driver, click on browse. Then we'll have to come to this particular folder. So just minimize this. I've given the name as MSM in download folder. So let's come here and look for MSM folder. So this is that folder, and inside this I have given Qualcomm driver. You can select that and click OK. Meanwhile, we'll just check whether it is extracted. Sorry, we have to extract this as well. So 7Z and then extract this one. So there is one more folder here. Close this. Now come back and click on browse, and under Qualcomm we'll have to select that folder and click OK and click next. So this gets installed. This is one way to do this. Okay, if you're not comfortable doing this, the next thing, other thing you can do is you can directly click on that exe file and install it. That will also do the work. So that's up to you. I'm comfortable with this, so I'm doing it this way. I'll put out all these links in the description. You can download it. Next thing what you have to do is go to our OnePlus folder, run hotdog. Then there is MSM download tool version 4.0. Double click on that and click yes. So you should see this, and you can select the target as India and click on start. And when you start, if you get some error related to Sahara connection failure or something, please restart the phone, something like that. Then what you can do is it may seem like the phone is not starting. Then what you'll have to do is hold the power up button, volume up button and the power button together for almost 30 seconds, 30 to 40 seconds, and it should start up the phone again. Make sure you remove this cable and do that, but I'm not going to do that. Hopefully this will work. Let's try to give start. It says so it's working, so it's downloading. So it will take almost 300 seconds to finish this. So that's what, in case if you get a Sahara connection failure error, then I will have to start the phone and again shut down, switch off the phone. I'll have to press the power up button, volume up button and the power button together for almost 30 to 40 seconds, and it should start up again. Start the phone again, and then you can switch off the phone again and try this method. So it should work. So let's wait for some time, and I'll get back to you once this is done, and also see if this solves our camera issue. So it's almost done. It's 3:15 seconds. Okay, it has completed now. So it has taken almost 320 seconds, and you can see the device is automatically booted because of this option, auto reboot. So what we can do is let's see if this solves a camera issue. If it solves, then great, or else we'll just upgrade it to the latest version and take it to a service center. That's the only options left. Okay, I guess it's time to stop this. 3:22 seconds it shows, and I'll just click on stop and see what's the status on the phone, whether it solved the issue or not. Hopefully it should solve, or else the camera is the culprit. I'll reboot and come back. So setup is complete. Let's see what is the version this has now. Let's go to about phone, and it's Android version 10 and OxygenOS 10.3.8. So this is correct. Now let's see if camera is resolved or not. I'm just a little worried. Hopefully this should resolve. Let's see. Hello all the time. No, it didn't. I guess it didn't, because at least earlier I was getting the message. Now I'm not getting any message, and it doesn't pop also. So that is not working, guys. So I'll have to switch back to Android 11 itself. So that's how downgrade. If you want to downgrade anytime, I'll put out all the required links there. You can check out. So that didn't work, guys. It didn't resolve the issue, the camera issue. So I guess I'll have to take it to customer care and fix it. So let's catch again in the next video. Till then, see you. Bye.